भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वती व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। ग्रंथराज से श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटो 10 चैप्टर 3 टेक्स्ट नंबर 13 appearance of Lord Krishna, Krishna's birth. श्री वासुदेव उवाच विदितो असि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुषः प्रकृते परः केवलानुभव आनंद स्वरूपः सर्व बुद्धि दृक्। श्री वसुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुष प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूप सर्वबुद्धिदृक्। श्री वसुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुष प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूप सर्वबुद्धिदृक्। श्री वासुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुष प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूप सर्वबुद्धिदृक्। श्री वासुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुषः प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूप सर्वबुद्धिदृक्। श्री वसुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुषः प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूप सर्वबुद्धिदृक्। श्री वसुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुषः प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूप सर्वबुद्धिदृक्। श्री वसुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुषः प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूप सर्व। वैष्णवी। श्री वसुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् पुरुषः प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूपा सर्वभूतदेव। श्री वसुदेव उवाच। श्री वसुदेव प्रेत। विदिता असि। Now I am fully conscious of you. Bhavan, your lordship. Sakshat, directly. Purusha, the supreme person. Prakrite, to material nature. Paraha, transcendental. Beyond everything material. केवल अनुभव आनंद स्वरूप। Your form is a Sachidananda Vigraha, and whoever perceives you becomes transcendently blissful. Sarva Buddhidrika, the supreme observer, the super soul, the intelligence of everyone. Translation. Vasudeva said, my dear Lord, you are the supreme person beyond the material existence, and you are the super soul. Your form can be perceived by transcendental knowledge, by which you can be understood as the Supreme Personality of God. I now understand your position perfectly. Please repeat after me. Vasudeva said, my Lord, you are the Supreme Person beyond material existence, and you are the Super Soul. Your form can be perceived by transcendental knowledge, by which you can be understood as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I now understand your position perfectly. Purport by Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami, Srila Prabhupada ki. Within Vasudeva's heart, affection for his son and knowledge of the Supreme Lord's transcendental nature both awakened. In the beginning, Vasudeva thought, such a beautiful child has been born, but now Kansa will come and kill him. But when he understood that this was not an ordinary child, but the Supreme Personality of God, he became fearless, regarding his son as the Supreme Lord, wonderful in everything. He began offering prayers appropriate for the Supreme Lord, completely free from fear of Kansa's atrocities. He accepted the child simultaneously as an object of affection and as an object of worship by prayers. Om Ajnanam Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshunmitamena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Asthapitam Ena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kada Mahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuttapad Kamalam Shri Guru Vaishnavansya Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Shri Visakhanvitansya He Krishna Karuna Sindho Dinabandho Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namasute Tapta Kanchana Gaurange Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhana Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyasya Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री वसुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भगवान् साक्षात् पुरुषः प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवानंद स्वरूप सर्वबुद्धिदृक्। हरे कृष्ण। So today Janmashtami. So it is great surprising. As soon curtain opened, I thought this Asht Gopis came from Golok Vrindavan. They appeared suddenly. It's great surprising and wonderful atmosphere. At least now Krishna was feeling separation from her Asht Gopis. Somehow or other, by deity's mercy, they appeared from Golok Vrindavan. Asht Gopis ki jai. So today Janmashtami and appearance day of Lord Krishna. Srila Prabhupada describes in his lectures and purport, Krishna appears for his special mission. And also he describes the process of appearing Krishna. Although we celebrate Janmashtami once a year, but Krishna can appear all the time by by prescribed the process. So this Janmashtami is a great occasion, especially for the preaching to the people. In Janmashtami days, so many people come to visit the temples, especially from Hindu background, and devotee take opportunity to preach the Krishna consciousness. Therefore, only for the purpose of preaching, there is a wonderful decorations. Very nicely, people can get attracted and come, and they can take Srila Prabhupada's books and study, and they can understand how Krishna can appear. It is described in Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 2nd chapter. We know a story very well, how Vasudeva was married with Devaki. After marriage, so Kans, due to the affection of Devaki, he himself started driving the chariot. And when he heard the omen from the sky, he did not see the people. You are driving chariot of your sister with great affection, but her eighth child is going to kill you. Immediately, all the affection was gone. Yeah, that is called material. Material means beginning and end. The beginning, he was very affectionate. As soon as he heard the voice from the sky, all the love is finished. Immediately he wanted to kill Devaki. So somehow or other, by the preaching of Vasudeva, his wife Devaki was saved. And then he imprisoned them, and every year, one after another, her children was killed by Kans. So when seventh child appeared, his seventh child was Lord Sankarshan. So Lord Krishna ordered to Yogamaya, please transfer this child in the womb from the womb of Devaki to womb of Rohini. Rohini. So Rohini did her service. Then it is described by Sri Sukadeva Goswami. अंश भागेन विस्ते आनक दुंदुभि मन आनक दुंदुभि with all his expansions, Lord Krishna entered in the mind of Vasudeva. That is the process. So, with all his expansions, with all his spiritual expansions, other energies, Krishna entered in the mind of Vasudeva. When he entered in the mind of Vasudeva, he became very, very bright, like a million suns. Very bright. It is very difficult to look towards Vasudeva. Very, very difficult. And this described Krishna Surya Sam Maya Hayandakar, Jahan Krishna Maya Naya Vikar. He described, compared Krishna is like a sun. This material world is ignorance, darkness. Always dark. When Krishna appears, then they will be bright. There is light. So when Krishna appeared in the mind of Vasudeva, Vasudeva became very, very effulgent. Very, very effulgent. Then from Vasudeva, he entered into the mind of Devaki. Even words describes that is called process of initiation. For the process of initiation, Krishna, this is process of appearing Krishna. He does not appear due to the union of Vasudeva and Devaki. He appeared by the process of initiation. So this means Vasudeva initiated Devaki. Then Krishna entered from the mind of Vasudeva into the mind of Devaki, then in the heart. And as soon as Krishna entered in the heart of Devaki, by the process of initiation, there is a great change in Devaki. She also became full of effulgence. Even Kansa, when he came to see her, she is looking different completely. Very effulgent, very difficult to see towards Devaki. And he decided himself, oh, now Vishnu has come now. Vishnu has come, nobody can stop the mission of Vishnu. Very difficult. Now, I cannot kill Devaki. If I kill her, my reputation will spoil. But same Kans, when he was riding chariot, he did not think if he hold the hair of Devaki with a sword wanted to kill. That time he did not think. Even Vasudeva was preaching him, but Kansa, he did not think even a little bit. If I kill my sister, my reputation will spoil. Now, as soon as Krishna is present there, everything, his mind is changed, because Krishna is even Kansa's heart. He changed his mind. He started thinking his reputation. Kansa never thought before his reputation. He never thought. This is demonic mentality. Only those who are gentle people, they want to maintain their reputation. Kirti yasya jivanam, chalam chittam, chalam vittam, chale chale yavanam. Chale chale idam sarvam kirtim yasya jivanam. His reputation is people's life. Life. So now he's thinking, if I sit under my shelter, just see, change. Because, when people affected, he was affected by Devaki's effulgence. Therefore, he start changing his mind. He's thinking, oh, she is my sister. Before was also she was his sister. Now he's thinking, because of Krishna was in the heart of Devaki. So therefore change. He cannot kill to his devotee. It's not possible. So he's thinking, if he sees my sister first, second, she is completely under my control, shelter. Third, she is pregnant. Just, he's such a person. He killed all the baby child. Now it's completely changed. Point is, by the process, if somebody associates a person who is carrying Krishna in his heart, not only on the tongue, that is also very good. Anyone always maintaining chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. That is also wonderful. That is very, very good. But if a person, if he is chanting, always carrying Krishna in his heart, everybody carry Krishna because Ishvara Sarvbhutanam Hridayesu Arjun Tishtati. Krishna is everyone's heart. Even ant is carrying, even buffalo is carrying, all the living is carrying Krishna. When we say carrying Krishna means remembering always Krishna in the heart. Always in the heart. How remembering? Just like servant remembers master. Friend remembers friend. Parents remembers child. And lover remembers to their beloved. This is called carrying Krishna. Always carrying. He is my friend. He is my son. He is my lover. Somebody is always feeling like this. So then whoever see him, by seeing such a person, people get benefit. They can change their heart by seeing such a person. That is called Mahabhagavad devotee. Always Krishna consciousness. By seeing person. Once Jasomati Nandan Prabhu told me, Prabhupada is such a personality. If he can look anyone, immediately he will become his disciple to Krishna consciousness. Just by looking. Therefore, Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writes, Aksho phalam twadasi darshanam, jiva phalam twadasi kirtanam. Perfection of life to see the devotee of Krishna. Perfection of tongue to chant the holy name of Krishna. So we can see when Devaki was the same personality. His eyes, his face, his body did not change. It's not you can take when become Krishna conscious, your brown body will become white. No, only consciousness. This consciousness, bhavam grahi janardana. Devotional service is called consciousness. So Devaki was the same. As soon as Krishna entered in her heart by the process of initiation, then she completely changed. This means somebody only can become Krishna consciousness if he surrenders unto the spiritual master. Srila Prabhupada writes, when people take initiation, then spiritual master's consciousness enters into the consciousness of the disciple. disciple. And then Krishna will present. Then Krishna will appear. So in this way, Kans, when he saw, he thought, let okay, no problem. God has come, but no problem. Let him take birth, then I will kill him. He did not stop his plan. So then he was waiting, but nobody can understand the mission of Krishna unless he manifests his mission. How he come, nobody can understand. When time had come, Krishna appeared from the heart of Devaki with four-handed. He had in four-handed Shankh, Chakra, Gada, Padma, conch, wheel, club, and lotus flower. And wheel and club to kill the non-devotees. And this lotus flower and conch for the blessing of the devotee. That's why he carried this. His mission, Paritraya Sadhunam Vinasaya cha Duskritam. So he has always carried the Sudarshan Chakra and club to give punishment to non-devotees. And he has power. When people see Krishna, when hear his pastimes, they become very peaceful. Flower means lotus flower. Even if you see lotus flower, by seeing, our mind becomes very peaceful. Very, very peaceful. And also conscious sound is very, very auspicious. When you open the curtain, before it's conscious sound, now Krishna is going to appear. He's going to appear. So when he appeared, then four-handed Sukdev was, Vasudev is surprised. Seeing. He's surprised, he said, God has appeared. Because Vasudev is not, he performed so much austerity in previous life, we'll discuss. But when he sees surprised, he appeared in the prison house. And again he's surprised, his body is fully decorated, everything decorated. His body fully decorated. And that time when Krishna appears, just like you can see when Krishna appears, whole atmosphere changes. Because everything in this material world, energy of Krishna, Parasya Shakti Vividhaiva Sruyate, Swabhava ki Jnana Balkriya cha. Whatever we are seeing, material energy, spiritual energy, tata, everything energy of Krishna. Energy means for the serving to energetic. Krishna is energetic, it's source of all the energy. So as soon as he appeared, all his energies, moon, that time is very dark moon. But full moon, he appeared. Because Acharyas described, Krishna appeared, the moon dynasty, moon became very happy, presiding of deity, moon himself came, he appeared. All the nakshatras, they appeared to welcome Krishna. So atmosphere became, it is described, when he appeared, due to the fear of Kans, Brahmanas were not performing sacrifice. There was no fire in the house of Brahman. Brahmana's house, always fire, all the time fire, because they perform sacrifice. But when, due to the fear of Kans, Brahmanas, they stopped sacrifice, they were not able to do, and they were suffering like anything. But as soon as Krishna appears, automatic fire appears in their house. They became very happy in their mind. They did not know even Krishna appeared. All the rivers started flowing, all the season appears, Just see, wonderful. This is when Krishna appears in our mind, in our heart, by the process of devotional service, our life becomes auspicious. Therefore, Rupa Goswami said, Subhani Prinam Yatra Sarva Jagat Anurakta. That is, as soon as we start performing devotional service, our life becomes all auspicious. All auspicious. Subhani. And we become very dear to everyone. Everyone. Even most fallen person. If they accept Krishna consciousness, they develop all good quality. They become very, very happy. So just see atmosphere. We are, of course, here in the temple we created wonderful atmosphere, but not everything natural. But that time was natural, no plastic, nothing, because the plastic you cannot get a smell, you cannot get fragrance. Looks beautiful, just like people keep in their soap, night for plastic doll. Looks very, very nice, beautiful, but there's no feeling there. But when Krishna appears, there was feeling of devotee. They were serving like this. So Vasudeva started offering prayers. He started offering prayers with folded hands when he saw the 400 farm. And he said, Vidtos Bhavan Sakshat Purusha Prakrite Para. Purusha, immediately just see the devotee always knows Krishna in truth. He does not speculate. As long as we speculate, called manodharma, we are thinking. Our thinking is useless. We never think. We think according to scripture, according to instruction of saintly person, and spiritual master, sadhu. This is we follow, we never think. Thinking means speculation. So immediately here you Purusha Prakrite Para. You are beyond the three modes of material nature. Recognized. Immediately recognized. He is not telling you are my son. You born with my semen. He never told anything. He is telling you are beyond the modes of material. Prakrite Para. Same thing Mother Kunti offered her prayer. Same word she used. Purusha Prakrite Para. So he offered so many prayers. So many prayers. Because we have to offer prayer means one of item of devotional service. Devotee must be always in praying mood. Those who are not humble, they don't pray. Prayer means Krishna is master, we are insignificant, his servant. So always we pray with folded hand. We always pray. We can see in life of all the devotees, even our acharyas, even Bhagavatam, everywhere, always prayers there. Devotee always offer prayer. So therefore, Rupa Goswami writes this one of of devotional service offer the prayers. So we are also offer the prayers in the morning, greeting time. But devotees should find a special time. They come, they offer prayers according to scriptures. So this is very, very important. And also when you offer prayer, Krishna is very kind. He always listens his devotee's prayer. Either neophyte, either advanced devotee. Neophyte devotee, they repeat the prayers of acharyas. Prayers just like Mother Kunti's prayer. So many prayers there. And those who are advanced devotee, they always repeat, but every word is their prayers. Whatever they speak, that is prayer. Just like Srila Prabhupada Acharyas. But those who are beginners, they should not speculate, create their own. No, they should repeat the prayers given by Acharyas. That is system. So after offering, when he completed his prayer, then Mother Devaki started offering prayers. And she was very fearful. Actually, it is described by Sukadeva Goswami, as soon as Lord appeared in 400 form, Vasudeva immediately became very fearless, completely fearless. Bhayam dvatiyo abhinivesam syat. Bhagavatam describes Bhay means absence of Krishna. If you remember something else, something except Krishna, then you immediately become fearful. Just like anything you remember. As soon as you remember something, you are going to lose that thing. But when you remember, Krishna never dies. You cannot lose Krishna. He's ultimate, our friend, our ultimate protector. But as soon as you remember other than Krishna, that is called Maya, material nature. Always, okay, I will lose this one. That's why we become very fearful. Whoever does not matter, even your friend is very king, some country's king, you still feel fearful. Maybe something wrong. If I did not speak properly, king become very unhappy. They will punish me, something. Always, but it is not with Krishna like this. Krishna, even if you do something wrong, he feel happy. Just like cowherd boy jumping on the shoulder of Krishna. That is very wrong. How can you jump on the shoulder of Krishna? But Krishna was very happy, more happier than somebody offering arti. Somebody offering arti. So point is, as soon as we become Krishna consciousness, we become fearless. We become fearless. So Vasudeva became completely fearless. And Mother Devaki, she was very fearful. Why? Because she did not want to travel to Krishna. She thought, now Kansa will come. She killed my 6 children. Now he is going to give trouble here, create so much problem. She started offering prayer. Oh Lord, I don't want much trouble. Please accept as baby farm, 200 farm. Just say, Krishna is very kind to his devotee. In order to fulfill the desire of Devaki, immediately he became like a baby, small baby. And after hearing the prayers, Krishna responded. It's not he will respond with everyone. Might will not able to listen, but we get the effect. Just like when we are offering the prayers, might we are not able to listen Krishna because we are not qualified, but 100% sure we will get the effect. This means Krishna is responding. Will get effect in the heart. So many things will become blissful, will be fully satisfied. So many things will happen, will get effect. So when offered prayer, after that Krishna responded, okay, you are very fearful because I became your son, because I 3 times I just see who small child will takes birth, he reminds father, mother. In the material world, anyone reminds anyone's children? You are so many people are father here also. But Krishna reminded, oh, you 3 lifetimes I became your son. In the first you were the Prishni and Sutpa. You performed severe austerity. You performed severe austerity. I became because you were eating the dry leaves. You are performing sunshine, sometimes very severe heat, sometimes rain, sometimes cold. You are tolerating everything for the sake of me. Krishna becomes very, very happy. When devotee takes happily, when devotee performs happily austerity for the pleasure of Krishna. Just like today, Janmashtami, devotee is fasting, complete fasting, completely fasting. Because he does not want other engagement. Only engagement is Krishna. Like fasting does not mean whole day just to work on that thing. Fasting, upvas means near Krishna. Up means near. Vas means you have to stay. So always Janmashtami, devotees save their time, they chant the holy name of Krishna, they serve Krishna, they take darshan always Krishna, they preach about Krishna. In this way they are always with Krishna. They don't suffer even. They don't suffer even while fasting. Because always engage in remembering and serving Krishna. Serving, remembering. So, Krishna told, you be the Sutma and Prishni, severe austerity, not one day, not 1 year, thousand and thousand years he performed austerity. Then Krishna became very happy. He came, appeared. He told, I became very happy with your austerity. Please ask some benediction, some boon. They asked, I want son like you. So Krishna gave, okay, I will become 3 lifetime of your son. He reminded, first I became, when you were Krishna and Sutpa, Prishni Garbha. Then you became both. You became Kashyap and Aditi. I was Vamandev. I became son as Vamandev. Now you appeared at Devaki and Vasudeva, I came Krishna. And because I reminded you because of your knowledge, you can understand. I promise you, I became. So you are very fearful. So no problem, because your desire is I should hide somewhere. So take me to the Nanda Baba's Nandagaon. Nandagaon. Just see. Krishna described in Srimad Bhagavatam just like when Lord Ramchandra, when he wanted to cross the ocean, Indian Ocean, ocean gave the way. Similarly, as soon as Krishna told, I take me to Nandagaon, atmosphere was, his circle completely was released. All the guards, all the security, people they completely fell asleep. Completely. They did not know anything. What happening? And the gate automatic opened. It was not ordinary gate. It was not ordinary gate. Automatically opened. Everything. Everything happened due to desire of Krishna. Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. As soon as Krishna desires anything, immediately his potency start working. He start working. So Vasudeva, he took in his basket, and it was very heavy rain, very, very heavy rain. And immediately Ananta says, Balaram, expansion of Balaram, Ananta says, he appeared, he gave shade to Krishna. And he came, when he saw, flood is coming, Yamuna, water is very high. So as soon as he entered, Krishna, when you do Krishna service, devotees are not fearful. They take all the risk. All the risk. He did not feel I will drown in the river, Yamuna. No, he entered. As soon as Yamuna touched the lotus feet of Krishna, immediately she cooled down. And very easily he crossed. When he reached Nanda Baba's house, Nanda Baba's house, all the cowherd boys, everyone sleeping. And Mother Yasoda, due to the pain of delivery, she also was unconscious. So immediately, very easily, very comfortably, he changed because she gave birth to baby girl. Immediately Yoga Maya, immediately he kept Krishna and brought baby girl. And Acharya said that Yashoda Ma gave two babies birth, twins, two. One girl, one boy. So this Vasudeva Nandan became one with Yashoda. Nobody noticed, nobody knew. Immediately. And Vasudeva brought the baby girls. When he came, very easily, just like he went, same thing, same way he came back. When he came back, so still all the people were sleeping, except Devaki. Everyone. So he entered, he gave baby to Devaki, and immediately automatic, everything happened, baby start crying. So in this way, Krishna took birth. So therefore, Bhagavad Gita says, Janma karma cha me divyam, evam ebbeti tattvata, tyakta deham punarjanam nait jam mameti swarjana. Krishna's birth is divyam. It's not material birth. It's divine, transcendental appearance. He appears. So we can see from the mouth of Sukadeva Goswami, he describes how he appeared. He did not appear like ordinary child. He did not. So this is actually mission of a devotee to preach how Krishna appears. Because people do not know. When people know only how Krishna appeared, they will become free from birth, death, old age, and disease. They will go back home, back to God. So today, I think time is over. Today is a very great day, especially for everyone, not only for the devotee, for everybody. So devotee should also not only chanting and remembering, serving, very good, but also today devotee should preach, distribute Srila Prabhupada's books, because so many people will come evening time. So in this way, they can preach. That is mission of Krishna comes. People should know. Krishna comes perform so many wonderful pastimes. Just first pastime was, just see how he went to the house of Nanda Baba. Very easily all the people sleep. Then Yoga Maya came. He wanted to kill Kans. Immediately came, he surprised how he heard a sound from the sky. Baby boy will take birth. Now girl is there. Just see. So if any plan Krishna wants, nobody can stop. Nobody can stop. Present time, no one as powerful as Kans throughout the world. No one as powerful as Kans. But Kans has all the power, all the security was finished. Could not do anything. So point is Krishna consciousness. Somebody Krishna consciousness, so whole world is open for you. Nobody can stop. Nobody can stop. So you can see Srila Prabhupada was preaching. There was so much problem alone Srila Prabhupada. Now ISKCON is very big. But still we are facing so much problem everywhere. Still like Kans, people want to kill Krishna, want to destroy the. So demon always there. It's not 5,000 years ago. Kans was there. Maybe now small Kans there. They don't want to. We can spread the teaching of Krishna. All we celebrate. So in this way, always will be people, demonic and divine. But the devotee should not be very fearful, because we are protected by Krishna. We are protected by Krishna. We have to carry the mission of Krishna, which came through disciplic succession. In this way, people will be happy and devotee will be happy. Krishna Janmashtami Maha Mahotsav ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Any question, any comment?